chain. Slap me, I leave my stain. Bad little bitty keep brain. Storm my wrist on rain. Ran up out the bank like it's a robbery. Take care of my mommy, I know she proud of me. Yeah.
Car wash alert. The boys just pulled up to Kyler's. 340's looking clean.
Gave a little rinse with 0 ppm water.
Nice,
hopefully.
nice. That's it?
Yeah, just a little rinse.
Damn. Man's got the whole rig, the setup. I need to get a pressure washer.
Yeah, we're gonna detail your guys' cars today.
Fire. Detail legend Kyler right here. Thousands in the house. Both of our cars super dirty. What's going on YouTube? We're repping the BMW gear today. Today we're checking in with you guys from Kyler's house, F30 skirt. He just got done detailing his car. Look at that paint. So shiny. Yes sir. So Jonathan and I came over today to detail our cars, but I am here for the long awaited detailing of my dirty ass HRE barrels. And then Jonathan's here to get a quick detailing as well. But I came over to get Kyler's expertise for these caked on barrels. If it'll focus, you guys can see.
Show the new steering wheel.
Oh, I will. But yeah, I came over to finally address these dirty ass barrels that I've been talking about for the last couple videos. So yeah, we're here. Beautiful Saturday morning. It's actually cold in Florida. But look at Kyler's setup. Got that purified water setup. Got the pressure washer. Got the whole 9. That's where detail dreams happen. What'd you say? Show him your new wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, you got another wheel, right?
Yeah.
Wait, where'd you find that one so fast?
This one?
Yeah.
No, brand new.
Oh, okay.
Just said
Sheesh. Tell the people, is it a CS wheel?
CS, M2 CS wheel. The
Wow.
difference between the M3 and the M2 CS wheel is these dots right here. Instead, M2s are red,
Yeah.
M3s are gray, M4 GTS are orange.
Wow.
That's the only difference.
Wow, way better than the other one.
Yep. Looks dope.
Like you can just tell from like the other one that you bought.
For like $5.99,
Nice.
but
Damn.
he hasn't paid, so I'm
Damn.
waiting for
New
Wait.
wheel gang. Got the F8 super dirty. I haven't washed it because I've been waiting for this day to hang out with these two. About to make magic happen though.
Put my balls on the big roll. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Anything I do it. Ain't nothing to it, just do it. Just cause I influence. Bank on flow, yeah, fluid.
All right, first thing we're doing today, just gonna spray them off with Kyler's pressure washer. That should help out a ton.
all that dirt.
The faces are easy. I'm worried about the barrels. Damn, it looks like a brand new wheel already. Shout out to Thousands.
Hey.
Personal detailer for the day. Alright, so we just sprayed off the wheels initially, and the faces are already clean from that. But now we're gonna jack up the car and probably just take off 2 wheels at a time and then get to the barrels. But even just having a pressure washer makes a huge difference. Like, the face is already clean. Shout out to Thousands. But yeah. Yeah.
I'm like, what?
Jonathan. Update you guys real quick. Just jacked up the car. So much easier with 2 jacks. Took both wheels off, and Kyler is using an all-purpose cleaner
You know what I used to use?
He's gonna run the gauntlet on these wheels.
Remember that? It's like a
Yeah,
cotton-
all-purpose cleaner.
Tell the people, tell the people.
And then
And I used
we'll
to
try
put it
some
on
of this
my
too.
rims.
Nice.
And then
Optimum power clean.
Nice.
This is pretty aggressive.
Then I take
Yeah.
Flour.
Wheels, tires, engine.
Nice.
Flour would absorb into
All
that.
that.
And, you rub it off with
And then
that.
we'll
And
run
you
it through the
rinse
gauntlet.
And then
Yeah.
beautiful.
See, like this barrel's not that bad.
I see what you mean.
Yeah. Shit is caked. What happened? What did we do?
We took some of this.
We had a
metal
major
polish,
breakthrough.
Blend metal polish, steel wool.
Very
and,
fine.
Very fine.
Yep.
And look at that.
So I was thinking.
Look at
to
that.
make this faster.
I've been trying to get this result for
put
like
this at
a
the-
month.
on the-
Oh yeah, look at this contraption.
Jonathan, what
Hey,
we doing
listen,
now?
We're gonna try to
You hold
try,
it here,
try to
and then-
polish it with this thing.
Hey, you wanna
I don't
put
know if
some
it's gonna
polish
work, but we can hope.
You can tape it on. Tape the bottom
on it? We'll
on.
make it work.
Make things a little bit easier, hopefully. All right, let's try
This
this.
thing is easy.
Will it work?
Should.
Use some water on that.
Yeah, it's kind of dry now.
Oh, it definitely works.
Oh yeah, baby.
Dang. Yeah, I just needed some elbow grease.
Yeah. Holy shit, you guys aren't gonna believe it. These are the barrels. Damn. It's like they're brand new again. Let's go. Metal polish, steel wool. Alright, so my vlog camera died, which is weird because I charged the battery last night. But as you guys can see here, the barrels are basically cleared from all that gunk. We used some metal polish that Jonathan brought and some steel woolies. Very fine. But as you guys can see, Kyler was working on the front wheel as well. As you guys can see, night and day difference.
See if this.
And Jonathan says we're just basically polishing the wheels now. I'm so stoked though. Can't believe all it took was some metal polish and some steel woolies. All right, check it out, guys. Look at the shine coming back to us. Was it like a reflection?
Yeah, almost.
Basically a reflection. Look at that. It's glistening.
No, it won't.
I haven't seen it this shiny since I got the wheels. This is crazy.
I just do that little piece right.
Yeah. Shout out to the guys, Kyler's dad, for helping out as well. Like, look at this angle right there. What?
Yeah, this is cleaning it up.
That's sick. All right, check it out. In the sunlight, guys, you can literally see reflection. And it's beating, it's glistening. Night and day difference.
Got it right.
Shout out to the boys. Look at that, in the sun. Ooh. This is how the wheel should have looked if they were properly maintained and cleaned.
But we got him.
Yeah.
Crazy wheels.
Yeah. So this is what they look like now. And then again, I'll show you guys the before. Absolutely filthy.
I was worried about the steel wool.
Filthy. Look at that. So yeah, we're gonna put these wheels back on. I'm super satisfied, super content with how they look now. Couldn't have done it without these dudes right here.
Glad to help.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
We got the driver's side back on, and this was actually the dirtier side. So I'm super happy with the way it turned out. As you guys can see, we did the barrels. So happy about that. So happy. We'll get you a better video in the sunlight. But now we're working on the passenger side.
Soaking it with some power clean.
Yes, sir. Chef Kyler. He's cooking up the recipe. So yeah, we just do this side real quick and then call it a day. So happy though. Just finished up the other two wheels. As you guys can see, it's fucking shining at the sun. So sick, super happy. All in a day's work. And some elbow grease. Now to put them back on, and then that's a wrap. Both wheels are back on the car. Looking better than ever. Look at that. Literally like a brand new wheel. I feel like I just got these wheels today because that's how clean they are. God damn. Shout out to the gang. Make sure you guys give them a follow. Big shout out to them for helping out today. Like a brand new car. Car's still dirty, but I'll take care of that later. This weekend. So much better.
Oh, yeah.
So much better.
Oh, they should have came.
Exactly, exactly.
Looks happy.
What do you think? What do you think about them?
Mission complete.
Mission
Good.
complete.
I think they're perfect.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna buy
Not
these.
perfect,
I'm gonna
but
buy these boys some food
Glad it worked out.
or a beer. Thank them, cause couldn't have done this by myself. That's for sure. I was looking up so many things on YouTube, and I literally could not figure out a way to clean these. But I came over here, and like within 2 minutes, we had them cleaned already. Let's fucking go. All right, that's gonna wrap it up at Kyler's. I'll close out the vlog when I get home. Shout out to these guys. Make sure you give them a follow. Links in the description below. Made the wheels look like brand new. Let's get it. Hey, we're back in the garage. It's actually the next day. I finally charged up my vlog camera, and I actually figured out why the battery wasn't charging. I had it on the other side of where it should have been. But yeah, we're back in the garage now. Shout out to Kyler. Shout out to Jonathan. I'll make sure to leave their Instagrams and YouTube channels in the description below. Shout out to them because without them I couldn't have cleaned these barrels, which I've been trying to clean for over a month now. I've had these wheels for over a month. I've been trying to get them dialed in. But shout out to you guys, I couldn't have done it without you. But that's gonna wrap up this week's video. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for future content, and we'll see you on next week's video. Take care.